Hi, this is David Summerfleck again, the chief web designer and WordPress trainer and all-around great web guru guy over at AffordableWebsitesDenver.com. I wanted to take a minute or two just to answer some questions I've gotten from clients and people coming to workshops and WordPress training classes in Denver. A lot of people were asking me, okay, I showed you that there's some really great websites like artipot.com right here, and you can find those. This is articlebase.com, and you see all these different articles you can copy and paste into the body of your blog post, and you just have to follow their accreditation or what's the word, how they want to give credit to their authors. So Articlebase is one, and another well-known one here is Artipot, however you pronounce that. And really have a million articles right here on business, and you can just go right to the article that you like and just go down to the bottom here and say, okay, I like this, I'd like to reprint it, may I do that? Well, here it is, you're given permission, and you just copy and paste it as it is. We'd copy and paste this directly into the body of our blog post in our WordPress website blog post, and we could very easily take 10, 20, however many articles we want from Artipot or the other website that we were just looking at a moment ago, articlebase.com. And also what we can do is we can go to similarsitesearch.com, and let's see if you can see that, and we can go and type in artipot.com, and here we find a big, pretty long list of other websites that are just like artipot.com and just like Articlebase and articlegeek.com, and here we see many articles just like that, and or rather websites, excuse me. And all we have to do is just scroll down to see we've got 5 pages of results here that have lots of free articles we can copy and paste. Okay, and we can copy and paste that content into our post and have an unlimited number of articles for free, and just simply schedule them to be published next week or next month. And another thing I wanted to show you was this great WordPress plugin right here called Page Links 2 right here. Here's a description, and this is a plugin that I've actually used many times on other websites and for clients as well to make blogging easier for them. And the installation is really quite easy. It's actually easier than they make it look here. You just activate, you download the plugin, you activate it, and then you go to your blog and you go to the very bottom and you'll see a blank space or form. And here's a little trick. Let's say we want to write some articles for our blog and I don't know what to write about. I'm just not having a good day. So here is Google News. Let's say I want to find news stories about business, maybe business intelligence. We're going to look this up on the news right here. Okay, and here we see a lot of articles about business intelligence. So let's say we like this one from the Sacramento Bee, a very good smaller newspaper. Okay, and let's say we like this. I don't need to write a blog post, and we don't really have to worry about giving the author credit as long as we're not changing the work or claiming it to be our own. So we're going to copy and paste the text, and we're going to go back into our blog post, and we're just going to copy and paste the title into the title, and then we're going to copy and paste the URL or website address for this piece at the very bottom of the post where it will say Page Links 2. We just copy and paste the URL for this particular news story here into that, and then you could set it to either open in a different window or open in the same window, and then you can set it to be published next week, next month, whatever you want. And it's a great way to have news stories from other sources on your blog post or in a blog post without having to rephrase it or figure out how to rewrite it and give the author appropriate credit and make sure you're doing everything the right way. Well, this way we just copy and paste the title and we set up a link directly to this particular news story, and we can be done in a matter of seconds. And it's very, very important to remember that when you're doing this, you're just creating a link to this article. So you don't want to put anything in the body or content section for that blog post, because there's not going to be anything there. It's going to link directly to this news story. So we'll demonstrate how to do this over at affordablewebsitesdenver.com and go into much more specific detail in our tutorial section that's being set up now. So I hope that helps you find an unlimited number of articles that you could refer to and use for your blog posts. And also you have some ideas now of how to find news articles that you can specifically use for blog posts and link directly to these. It's going to look just like a blog post, but it's just they're going to click on it and it'll take them directly to this news story, and you don't have to rewrite anything because it's just linking directly to that. And the way we're doing that again is by using this wonderful plugin right here called Page Links To. And let's see, I think it even has some screenshots here for us. And this is what it will look like on your blog post. So this is what it's going to look like. And again, you're going to have a blog post that the title is going to be, for example, why I love google.com or whatever you can think of. And then you would just type in the alternate URL, open it in a new window. So we take our article, copy and paste the title into the title form for that post. Then we copy and paste the URL or website address and put it right here. And then when they click on that link, the viewer will see that news story. So I hope that helps and should make blogging a lot easier. And there's should make it a lot easier for any small business owner or individual to have an unlimited number of blog posts for as long as they want. So I hope that helps a lot. And if anybody has any other suggestions or input, please visit affordablewebsitesdenver.com and go to our contact page, and feel free to send me an email or even call our Google Voice number and leave a message, and I'll get that as an email as well. So have a great day or evening, and I hope that helps.